Quick demo of the latest Mark III that I got off eBay not long ago. Been recapped, cleaned up, cleaned the relays, fixed a couple bad wires, bad contacts, and away it goes on the bench right quick. Got it on standby, and this is just showing what the radio's going into it. You know, 2/3 of a watt audio. Doing about 1.5 average. Audio. Maybe 2.5. Getting close to 3 peak watts into it. 200 watt scale on average, turning the amp on. And did came about 35. Audio, talking about 50. Whistling to about 55. And last we gonna put it on peak. Audio. Doing just hitting 100 peak. And that's what it does. This little Browning 180 Mark III. Face looks decent. Did have a hole here, and we covered the hole with a matching screw. I think that was pretty clever, and you know, top looks good. One side looks okay, other side looks bad here. A lot of scratches and stuff on that side. Back and underneath look okay. Decent. You know, mind you, this amp probably came out in the 70s. So I'd say this guy's 50 years old. So not too bad. That's the caps that came out of it that were replaced. And the way it goes, that's going to be it for this Browning 180. Bye.